Assalamu alaikum everyone. Yes, I am back with a new video. So today's video is going to be Lush's Dark Angels. Here it is. I'll show you up close. It's actually good. You know, I'm directed to the sun because I want to show you how this product actually shimmers. So this is a face and body cleanser. And here is the close-up for Dark Angels, if you can see it. Did you see some shimmer? It's shimmering, right? I'll tell you why it's shimmering. There's something in this that's making it shimmer. Okay, we're going to talk about this product in detail when I have it on my face. So it's a herbal combination of stuff to balance and cleanse the skin with something and something to gently exfoliate. So it's a cleanser. How to use: take a piece of cleanser in the palm of your hand, add a little water and mix into a paste. I'm just worried about it, staining. So we have to make it a paste, massage into the skin before rinsing off with warm water. Okay, let's do that. I have some water here with me. I'm taking this much, putting it on my hand. Is that too much? Okay, see it up close? I'll turn into a paste, add some water. Ooh, it's like Play-Doh. See? Is it shimmering? It's not shimmering anymore. I hope it doesn't stain. It smells so good. Okay, you can see I used a tiny amount. So yeah, let's read about Dark Angels. It has a cooling effect. Feels cold. Gorgeously glowing skin. This is for those of you who really like to scrub your skin to feel clean. It's kind of really harsh. I mean, what does this have? Yeah, remember I said that it was glittering, it was shimmering. It has black sugar and charcoal to exfoliate, and Rhassoul mud to deeply cleanse. Maybe that's the cooling effect. But sugar is really like too much for your sensitive skin. We also use cold pressed avocado oil and vegetable glycerine to moisturize and soften your skin after all that scrubbing, leaving your skin feeling balanced and fresh. So there's sandalwood and rosewood oils give a rich earthy fragrance and have a cooling and antiseptic effect on the skin. Good. We buy our powdered charcoal locally. It's a great way to exfoliate. It's deep cleansing, whilst black sugar is here to scrub away any dead skin cells and actual skin, leaving you with bright, refreshed skin. Okay, we'll see. You're not supposed to leave it on. It's a cleanser. You're supposed to just clean it off, but I want to read some stuff from the website. So we read that. I'm going to clean it off. I'm going to use these sponges. These are really good facial sponges. You can use them hot or cold. Become really tough. This was for 50 rupees too. Can you imagine? Really nice. When you put it in water, it becomes really soft. I'll show you. See? that's messy. But it's coming off nicely. So, what do you think? Is my skin glowing? कोई फर्क पड़ा या नहीं? So yeah, it didn't stain, which is good. I was worried about that. Let's dry off. Just pat dry. No need to be so rough. It smells great. Oh, okay, there's another review for this. Black sugar and charcoal exfoliate absorb excess oils to leave dull, oily, or acne-prone skin feeling fresh and matte. Actually, it did help. I feel so fresh. Even oily skin can be sensitive. Yes, it can be. So we've made this one soft and soothing to calm redness and irritation. Its Rhassoul mud base deeply cleanses to help prevent breakouts, while vitamin-rich, cold-pressed organic avocado oil nourishes skin to leave it soft and lightly hydrated. Use all over for perfectly smooth, bright skin. An angel indeed. But I don't like to use dark angel. That's haram. So everyone, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, constructive comments, and share this video. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for the support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz. Bye.